welcome back to Country Views. I have another great recipe, but I thought I would mix things up a little bit. I am making a breakfast item today. It is my crescent roll egg salad sandwiches, but I'm gonna show you two ways to make it. All right guys, so it's just me eating today. My husband's at work, all the kids are out on their own, so I just have 5 eggs. One of mine kind of broke, so I just put the yolk in there and cleaned it up, kind of. So what you want to do now is just start smashing your eggs down with a fork, knife, however you want to do it, or you can cube it. However it's comfortable for you and your family and in your home. To me, it's just a little easier just to get a fork in here and just start chopping. All right, so once you get it to the consistency you want, that's when you're gonna start adding your other ingredients. Let's see here, let's smash a little more. So while I'm smashing this, thank you for visiting our channel. If you're new to our channel, please like and subscribe. Comment below. If there's a certain recipe you would like for me to make on the channel, comment it and I will come out with a really great recipe for it. Thank you Country Views Juniors for coming back to the channel as well. And of course, our normal, regular subscribers, friends, and family, we do love you and we appreciate you. Okay, so that's about what consistency you're gonna want it, okay? Now on this part, you're just gonna eyeball it, okay guys? So I'm gonna start with my seasonings. I always like to start with my seasonings. I have pepper. I'm gonna do about 3 pinches. 1, 2, 3. And then I have salt, just regular salt. I'm gonna do about 2 pinches. You don't want to do as much salt as you would pepper, only because you don't want your egg salad to be salty, okay? Now, our next step is you can either use sugar or Sweet Mate, Splenda, whatever sweetener you like. Today we're using Sweet Mate. It's just like Splenda, just a cheaper version for all you mommies that are looking to save a penny or $1. I know I always am. You're gonna add 2 in your eggs, okay? And then give this a real quick stir. All right, once you got that all incorporated, your seasonings with your egg, now you're gonna start adding your other ingredients. Right here, I have grated Mexican cheddar cheese, and I have some cubed up smoked ham. That is optional. If you don't want it, you don't have to put it, but this makes the recipe. It makes it yummy. So I'm going to go ahead and start adding these. The cheese is about 1/2 cup, maybe a little less. Same with your ham. All right, don't want to waste any of that, friends and family. And give that a little stir around. Make sure you get it all incorporated all through it, okay guys? All right, so now we have some dill relish. If you like sweet relish, you can use that. We like dill in our household. And let me find a little teaspoon here. All right, and you're just gonna put a teaspoon, maybe 2, okay? We'll do a little extra here. 2 teaspoons of your dill or sweet relish. All right. Use your hot sauce of choice. Today we're using Tabasco. we are gonna put about 4 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just count to 4. Give that a mix around. Oh, it smells so good already, friends and family. Yum, yum, yum. I think I might go ahead and just add the rest of my dill relish. It's about another teaspoon. I am one of those people where I don't like putting jars back in my fridge if there's just a teaspoon or 2 left. Same with sauces in the jar as well. So I just add the little bit of extra and go on with it. All right, so that's what it's gonna look like. Now you are ready to start adding your sauces. There again, you're gonna eyeball it. And you're going to go to your mustard. 1, 2, 3, 4. Around, okay? Give that a good stir. Stir that up really well to where it's all incorporated, okay? All right, and it's gonna look like that. Now you are ready for your mayonnaise. If you don't like mayonnaise, you can substitute it for cream cheese. I'm actually gonna use my little handy dandy thing here. You're going to want to start out with about a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and then you're gonna wanna go from there. All right? So stir in your 1/2 cup of mayonnaise or cream cheese if you don't like mayonnaise. Stir it up real well, and then you're gonna check your consistency after that, okay? And actually that looks like perfect consistency. That's about what you're going to want, okay? Now, I'm going to give it a little taste test here and see if it's got enough pepper. I think it could use a little more pepper, guys. There again, I love pepper in my egg salad. So I'm gonna put about 2 more pinches of pepper. And I'm gonna stir it in, and then I'm gonna give it another taste test, okay? All right, now let's give it another taste test. All right, that's perfect, guys. That is absolutely perfect. All right, so I'm going to show you guys 2 ways to do this, okay? Way 1, you have some hash browns that you just get from the store. You can cook them however long you like. I like to make them a little bit on the darker side, okay? Now, I'm trying to get you positioned here. Okay, so now this is your hash browns. So all you're going to do, okay, and actually I think I'm going to switch out utensils here. All right, and what you're gonna do is just take about a couple scoops on each, okay? And this is for whoever is not a bread lover, okay? If you like potatoes, use the potatoes, you know? All right, so now, you cannot miss out on the paprika, okay? So I do a little bit of paprika right on top, like this, okay? Doesn't that look good, guys? All right, so we're gonna push that to the side, and I'm gonna show you way number 2 to make these, okay? So now, we have these little miniature crescent rolls. Ely's, I can't pronounce it, makes them, but you can probably find them in other brands. All right, so I'm just gonna put a couple on here just to show you guys how simple and easy and how delicious these are, okay? Now what you wanna do, look how miniature they are. Aren't those cute? Just cut them open, all right? And if you have a bread knife, use it instead of a straight blade, but I didn't have a bread knife today, so this is what I'm using. So you're just gonna cut them open, okay? Now, here's how you're gonna eat these, okay? These are for who likes the bread, okay? But I'm telling you guys, these are amazing. If you can get these, I would get these, all right? Now, and these want to fall over on me, so I think I'm just gonna do it right here on the plate. And you just put them right on top here. All right, like so. These can use a little more. All right, there we go. So there is your cut in half miniature crescent rolls. Now we are gonna add a little paprika to these. Egg salad just is not the same without paprika. Same way with deviled eggs. You've gotta always have paprika. I think it changes the taste of it if you don't. All right, so that is way number 2. And what I'm gonna do is give you a close-up. There's your miniature crescent rolls with your egg salad on it. Here is your fried hash browns with your egg salad. So now it is taste testing time, guys. So let's just move this stuff out of the way here so you can see me taste testing. All right. So let's just get you guys adjusted here. Hi guys. So here I am. I'm going to start with the mini crescent rolls to taste test. All right, let's get you guys out of the light here. All right. All right, so here we go. We're gonna start with this one. And we are gonna take a big O bite. Are you ready? That's very, very good. If you guys can get your hands on the mini crescent rolls, try them. All right. Now, let's go try this other one. Okay, so now we are getting ready to try the hash brown one. There again, there is your hash brown one. I'm gonna just take a bite here with my little handy dandy spoon. You guys wanna bite? I know I do. Ready? Oh yeah. Guys, yes. So good. I love them both. You guys got to try them. Anyhow, on that note, I'm gonna go. I love all of you friends and family. So does my husband. I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.